So hello guys, this is our second episode eating lubag. So yung first video ko about kumakain ako ng lubag is hindi ko siya in-upload because nga wala akong load that time. So this time, I will make sure na i-upload ko tong video na to so that you can taste the lasa of this nalusum. Nalusum is in Star, I think. Nalusum nga lubag. So let's start. So first, I will going to introduce my fruits, the fruits that I'm going to eat. This kind of fruits. So this is called lubag and Ilocano. So first, we need to sausaw it. We need to dip it in the sauce, and then let's try to eat it. Talagang sureness na maasim talaga siya. Parang balot lang naman siya. Lagyan ng ganito. So, let's eat. Sila, so, kanina I have a brother, pero sabi niya ayaw niya daw kumain kasi maasim daw. So what's butter? Yes. So, yung first episode ko is sinatanggal ko yung I don't know, yung ganito niya. So that naman siya. Masarap siya, guys. So right now kasi kakauwi ko lang dito sa bahay namin. So galing ako sa boarding na sa school. It's very masarap siya, guys. So yung bibiliin ko na is yung pinakahinog one. So let's eat it. It's very maasim talaga siya. It's best if we dip it in the sauce. Then it. Very masarap talaga siya. Agol. Taste sa suka. Good talaga siya. Next bite. So wala talaga akong maisip na i-content kasi kailangan ko naman talaga mag-ganito ng stress. So this is my first time nagagawa ng content. So I don't know if this is food or a bad idea for me. Kasi kailangan ko naman talaga mag-content in order for me to what? So, may mga nakikita ako sa TikTok, sa FYP ko na nire-review na yung nagmumukbang that is eating the food that they eat. So, sa tao, as a Filipino people, hirap lang yung kaligayan niya. I was so disappointed kasi, syempre, di ba, maraming mga tao yung nangangailangan ng pagkain, then they're just spitting that out. Oh my God, it's very unethical. Just to I'm not a basher, guys, pero I was just stating the fact. Kasi when I saw that, when I was informed that there are videos, mukbang videos that spitting the mouth that I eaten just to get a lot of views on TikTok. So for the last bite na tayo kasi may pupuntahan ako ngayon. Bakit kaya ganun? Every time I say na last bite na is nagaganahan akong kumain. Pero last bite na talaga to. Nasikop to. That's all, bye.